Okay, so today we are going to discuss how to solve a quadratic equation, okay, with a number in front of the x squared. So again, like when we were factoring, we're going to multiply the 3 and the 8, the negative 8, to get negative 24. So we have to find two numbers that will multiply to be negative 24, but add up to be positive 10. So we take a look at this. So we go, all right, well, 1 and 24, that doesn't work. 2 and 12, that's not good. That's going to then work, right? So we got 2 and 12. 2 times 12 is going to give us 24. It's got to add up to 10. So therefore, that means that this has to be a negative. So negative 2 plus 12 gives me positive 10. Negative 2 times 12 gives me negative 24. So we bring down the 3x squared plus 12x minus 2x minus 8 equals 0. Look at the first two to factor it, then we're going to look at the next two to factor it. So we can factor out of here 3x times x plus 4. So 3x times x gives me 3x squared, 3x times 4 gives me 12x. Now over here we can factor out, we got a minus, we can factor out a 2. So that's going to give me x plus 4. Because minus 2 times x gives me minus 2x. Minus 2 times positive 4 gives me my minus 8. Now we will set this up as two binomials. So we're going to have 3x minus 2 is going to be multiplied times x plus 4, and that's going to equal 0. Now what we have to do is, if this is equal to 0, then the whole thing is equal to 0. So we're going to set that equal to 0. So we're going to go 3x minus 2 equals 0, and we will solve. So we'll add 2 to both sides. 3x equals 2. Divide both sides by 3, and we get x is equal to 2/3. So there's my first answer. Second answer, x plus 4 is going to equal 0. Subtract 4 from both sides. X equals negative 4. So my two answers are x equals negative 4 and 2/3.